So today, we're gonna draw Santa and reindeer, okay? But we're gonna do it in a circle this time. Ready? Okay. First, we're gonna draw his head. It's gonna be half a circle. Can you follow along, please? And then we'll draw his hat. So wave go up and then to the right. And we'll do a circle here with the little furry pom-pom. And then we're gonna connect it back to the head. Okay. And then hold on your paper. And we're gonna do a headband here, like a rainbow. Okay. Very good, Charlotte. And then we'll do smiley eyes for Santa, because he's happy because it's almost Christmas. Okay. And he has a little nose, big nose here. Oval. Very good. And then underneath that is the mouth. Following the oval.
Big smile.
Okay, and then he has a big beard and it's wavy.
That's not wavy. That's curvy.
Okay, curvy.
That's curvy.
And there's more beard on the side, so we're gonna do a little. And then we're gonna draw his arm. So we're gonna do right arm.
This.
You're not following along, Charlotte. I'm gonna do left arm. Thumbs up from Santa because it's Christmas. Now we'll draw the belt. It has a bump in the middle where the buckle is. Now we'll draw the bottom of the belt. Also a bump with a buckle in the middle. And then in the middle is a circle. Right, that's our Santa. Okay, now we're gonna draw the reindeer, okay? So we'll start with the nose in the middle. So an oval like the Santa nose. And we'll do a winky eye. So we'll do a regular circle eye and we'll do a winking eye. Okay? And after that, we're gonna draw the ears. Okay, and we'll have antlers. It's like a cactus.
And that looks a little tricky.
Yeah. So go up, come back down, and go up, and then come back down and connect it. Do the same thing on the other side. And we'll do a little for his bell, because reindeer has to wear a bell. So for the bell,
Why?
so you can hear him coming down the street, okay? So we draw a circle for the bell. And I'm gonna do a little squiggly line here for the bell. And then we'll connect it with a second line here. And that's our reindeer.
All done?
Yeah, good job.